Hey, everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into 2 genius methods to create stunning PowerPoint presentations using ChatGPT. Imagine being able to whip up a professional-looking presentation in just a few clicks, all thanks to the power of AI and a few simple steps. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone who wants to make their presentation stand out, this tutorial is for you. Stick around as we walk you through these 2 easy-to-follow methods. Our first method leverages the power of Visual Basic for Applications, VBA. VBA is a powerful programming language that allows you to automate tasks in Microsoft Office applications, including PowerPoint. This means you can generate a complete presentation with just a few lines of code. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Generate the code. Open ChatGPT and enter the prompt, "Write me VBA PowerPoint codes on holidaying in Mauritius." Use 8 slides. ChatGPT will generate the VBA code necessary to create a presentation. Once the code is ready, scroll up and click on Copy Code. Step 2. Preparing PowerPoint for VBA. Open PowerPoint. Navigate to the File tab, select Options, and click on Customize ribbon. On the right, under Main tabs, scroll down until you see the Developer option. Check the option and click OK to add it to your tabs. Step 3. Running the VBA code. Click on the Developer tab you just added, then select Visual Basic. Alternatively, you can press Alt plus F11 to access it directly. In the Visual Basic window, go to Insert Module to open a new module. Right-click within the module window and paste the VBA code you copied earlier. Then, click the Play button to run the code. Step 4. Enhancing the presentation with Designer. The VBA code will create 8 slides, each with its heading, subheading, and body text. But the presentation isn't finished yet. To beautify it, select the first slide and click on Designer. This tool offers design suggestions based on your content. Choose your favorite design, and PowerPoint will automatically apply it to the slide. Continue through the rest of the slides to get a polished, professional look. Finalizing and reviewing the presentation. After you've applied the designs, your presentation will be ready to impress your audience. This method is incredibly efficient, but it does involve running VBA code, which might not be comfortable for everyone. If you're wary of running code on your PC, don't worry. We've got another method that's just as powerful but doesn't require any coding. Method 2. Creating a presentation using a Word outline. Introduction to creating presentations without VBA. If you prefer to avoid VBA, this second method is for you. We'll use ChatGPT to generate an outline, which will then import into PowerPoint to create a complete presentation. This method is perfect for those who want to leverage the power of AI without diving into programming. Step 1. Generating the presentation outline with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and enter the prompt, "You are an expert in creating pitch decks." Generate a PowerPoint presentation pitch deck for a startup that specializes in reducing food waste. Structure the presentation into the following sections: problem, solution, business model, competition, marketing plan, and fundraising. Use a maximum of 8 slides. ChatGPT will generate a detailed outline for your presentation. Copy the result. Step 2. Preparing the outline in Word. Open a blank Word document and paste the content using the Merge Formatting option to remove any unnecessary formatting. Clean up the text by removing any parts you don't need. Next, switch to the Outline view by going to the View tab and clicking on Outline. Step 3. Formatting the outline for PowerPoint. In Outline view, press the Control key and select the slide headings. Then, click on Body Text and choose Level 1. Press the Control key again and select the bullet points for each section. Then, click on Body Text and choose Level 2. Save the file and close Outline view. Step 4. Importing the outline into PowerPoint. Open a blank PowerPoint presentation. Click on New Slide, and select Slides from Outline. Locate the Word document you just saved, and click Insert or double-click to insert it into PowerPoint. PowerPoint will automatically convert each section of the outline into a slide. The initial slides might look plain, but that's where PowerPoint Designer comes in. Select the first slide and click on Designer to see design suggestions. Pick the one you like and apply it to all the slides in your presentation. After applying the designs to all slides, your pitch deck is ready. If you want to change the look of any slide, just click on it and Designer will generate new design options for you. With this method, you can create a professional presentation without writing a single line of code. And there you have it. 2 genius methods to create amazing PowerPoint presentations using ChatGPT. Whether you choose to go the VBA route or prefer the simplicity of a Word outline, ChatGPT makes it easy to produce high-quality presentations in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more time-saving tips, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.